I'm Ron Morris, Director of Omnis Education San Francisco. And today we're in the final stages of Art and Tech 2023. This is a cutting-edge program in which we have young engineering students from ECE France come over to explore the intersection of art and technology. Throughout this experience, they meet engineers and artists from the San Francisco Bay Area, and they explore imagination and creativity. So tonight, we're very excited to have an art show because we're very proud of the work that these students accomplished.
ECE Paris and Lyon is a centenary school of engineering. In this school, our DNA is to create perspectives and to imagine the future. That's why in this program, we want to create this link between science, technology, and art.
These students will have a new perspective about the importance of art and the way that art intersects with engineering.
What I do is I introduce them to the creative process. I help them understand that starting somewhere doesn't mean that they should go to an end. It's not a linear passage. And so this is how life is, and it helps them understand how to tackle their future projects.
We're here at Human Made, where students are applying what they learned in classes all throughout the program. So they're not learning simply about the intersection of art and technology, but they're learning by applying it.
When we opened, we started working with Omnis to bring their students here to experience the San Francisco Bay Area's culture around startup, entrepreneurship, tech, and art. We have a full machine shop, metal shop, and we also have rapid prototyping equipment like 3D printers.
Every year when we run this program, we choose a theme. And this year, the theme is Ambiguous. We chose this theme to challenge students to wrestle with ambiguity.
With this project, it helps me to communicate a lot with my group, create new things, to learn techniques such as wood, 3D printing, and it helps us a lot to share our ideas and opinions on it.
I see a lot of differences between France and Silicon Valley. In France, we're kind of like in a box. We really want to do things kind of like the traditional ways. And in Silicon Valley, always think outside of the box. And it's very important because we want to be engineers. And engineering, it's just about innovation.
Design thinking is not something we are taught at school in France, so it was really new for us. I'm pretty sure I will bring this design thinking process into my project in the future.
So now I'm going to approach the project differently, starting by having people in my group that don't have the same qualities that I have, so that we can collaborate and help each other on our weaknesses.
At the end of the program, one student came and told me, I will never underestimate the ability of art creation inside science and technology.
So this is why we do this program. We want to help students gain the audacity, the skills, and the inspiration to tackle real problems. And we think that this exploration here in San Francisco of art and technology is a great way to get there.